Thank you for coming out. We'll talk to you tonight about balanced teams. We really, truly feel like the best way to ship valuable software is putting product managers, product designers, and engineers in a tight-knit team, helping ship value to your users. So what we think our clients want and need, it's not necessarily just people, right? It's not just product managers, designers, and engineers. What they need at the end of the day is value, quality, and speed in the SaaS products that they're shipping, right? We think with our practices, we can help you do that and level up those three pillars of that triangle together. It's not one or the other, it's not a trade-off, but how can you maximize all three of those efforts simultaneously?
So we have Kevin, Mike, and Kelsey. You guessed it, this is a balanced team panel. I have the pleasure tonight of introducing Kelsey Stevenson. She's our keynote for the night. She's honed her skills in product development and product management for over a decade. As CPO for Bitly, she was instrumental in the company's recent achievement of reaching 100 million ARR. Kevin Menzie is our design representative. He's head of product design at Outside. He has over 20 years of leadership in both product design and also product. And next up is Mike Bernick. He's the founder and lead developer at Initial Capacity, a software consultancy focused on improving the way software is made and the lives of people who create it.
It's incredibly important from my experience to make sure that you have trusted relationships, not only with the people you work with, so making sure that the CPO and the CTO are tightly aligned, we trust each other, we're going to do this together, but also the team that's going to be your guinea pig, if you will. One size certainly does not fit all, and I can't state that any louder or more clear. Success is ultimately rooted in a deep understanding of the team dynamics of the organization that you're at and the team dynamics at all levels in your organization. That trust is critical. Product managers, designers, product engineering, all working together, forming one team, and really sharing that same outcome. And that's where we start to unlock the magic of increased velocity and also more creative products that can come out.
There is something around balanced teams where that team is empowered, right, to make decisions, whether it's around product or whether it's around architecture. And as soon as you start to take some of that autonomy or even responsibility away, right, things get a little bit bumpy.
There's opportunity, and when you have a balanced team that is empowered, and motivated, and excited, they're going to be more efficient. And that's one of the reasons why we're so excited about them as leaders. We want to unlock that magic that happens.
The interesting thing is all the disciplines in terms of product, engineering, design are, represented. And so the interesting thing with the balanced team and your comment around efficiency, like the intent all along was to just be simply more efficient.
When times are like this, where you really need to build the right thing, really embracing that balanced team where you have the voice of the customer alongside engineering and PM and all of these groups collaborating is actually even more critical.
When I think about applying the model wherever you are in the journey or in the maturity model of balanced teams, any change you make, start small. First, demonstrate the value, not only to the team that is working within this new framework, but to the leadership team. Help everyone who works at the organization and on your leadership team understand what you're doing and why you're doing it. And within that, you will also start to understand the uniqueness that is your organization. And that's where you can start to adapt. And that's kind of the art of leadership, of applying these frameworks.
We'll send you some good content. We'll have good conversations with you if you want to engage with us and just talk about some of these things. You guys are awesome. Really love it. Thank you guys.